Hello everybody, Aurélie here all the way from Bali. Today's video is about the quantum field. It's a terminology that I use a lot in my posts and my reports with my clients. And so I thought I'd bring in a little key that might tie things together and help clarify this in your mind. So the field itself is a reference to the entirety of space within the universe. It includes what we see, what we don't see, and what we think is empty, but never is. You can imagine it as a giant soup of fluid electromagnetic fields, all interconnected and interdependent, where information is continuously being exchanged, processed, integrated, fed back throughout the whole, regardless of physical distances. A soup of fields that, at the smallest of scales, can be divided into what's called the quanta. The quanta is the tiniest bit of mass energy that has the capacity to encode information, and that can be replicated or found across from the very small to the biological to the very big. And so because it connects all scales, the quanta gives its name to the quantum field. We're not separate from this field. It's not something that's out there, outside of us. No, we are the field. And sure, we do experience the sensation of separation of physical boundaries so that we can have a human experience. But in essence, the only touch we'll ever experience is the contact between fields of energy that, like magnets hovering over each other, either attract or resist merging with each other, and that are informed and influenced by our consciousness too. And so when we realize what this means existentially, that we are truly one, and this is beyond mysticism, it's a scientific fact here, it can catalyze a very profound shift in worldview, in the way one perceives themselves and their responsibility to all things. Because in light of this, what we do to ourselves, to each other, and to nature throughout this interconnected web that is space-time really impacts the whole. And so, to me, integrating this piece on oneness, on universal unity, really matters to the kind of world we want to create for the generations to come. And naturally, it matters in the field of healing. This is from the space that I operate to birth new healed realities. But I'll speak more on this next time. Have a great July, everybody. I'll see you across the field, as the field, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.